Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Welcome to the statistics class. In the previous class, I have explained to you regarding the problems on consumer price index number. I have taken two problems, one from the aggregative expenditure method, another problem I had taken from the family budget method. So right now I'm going to take another problem from the textbook and I'm going to solve that problem for you. So I ask you students uh, to go through this question which is on the screen, okay, which is on the screen displayed, and read the question carefully, and I will explain to you step by step, and please do follow the explanation and understand the problem. This is a problem of 5 marks, students. Okay, so let's see this. What is there in this? So they said compute the cost of living index number using family budget method. They clearly mention that which method that we are supposed to use, that is family budget method, students. Okay, and what is given to us here is they have given us the items as food, house rent, clothing, fuel and others, and they have given us base year as 2000 and current year as 2004, students. Okay, base year as 2000 and current year as 2004. Okay, and the data that is given to us is price and quantity of base year, which we can denote this to be as P naught, and this to be as Q naught, and this to be as P1. Okay, now when we look at the question, they said it is family budget method, but somewhere, you can see here they have not given us anything regarding weights. Okay, because for a family budget method, students, you know very well that for a family budget method, consumer price index number for a family budget method, okay, uh, you can see the formula. What would be the formula? That is family budget method, FBM. Okay, we have the formula as P01 is equal to summation WP divided by summation W. Is that right, students? Yes, summation WP divided by summation W. Now the question here is looking at the data. If you see here, the data what we have is P0, that is P0, Q0, P1, and we don't have anything regarding weights here. Nothing is been mentioned regarding weights. Now how to do it, students? So we need to follow certain method here. So what is the first thing that we need to find out is we need to find out P. What is P? P is P1 upon P naught into 100. This is the first column that we need to find out, students. P is equal to P1 upon P naught into 100. And the second thing that we need to find out is W. Now what is this W? W is to be are the weights. W means the weights. Now, what is the base year for us? 2000 is the base year. So 2000 expenditure, we can take it as weight, students. 2000 expenditure in the sense it is P and Q. In other words, it is P naught, Q naught. If you take it, this can be taken as for us as weight, students. Okay. So these are the things that we need to follow first thing, students. You understanding what I'm saying? So according to the question, compute the cost of living index number using family budget method. The data is not clear to us. W is not given anywhere. Okay, W is not given anywhere. What we need to do is we need to find out W. At the same time, we also have to find out P. Right, what is P? It is a price relative. How to calculate the price relative? It is P1 upon P naught into 100. And how to calculate the W? W is the weight, that is P naught into Q naught. This is how we need to do the calculation, students. Okay, so first thing that we need to do is we need to find out P, students. We need to find out P. Okay, so P, what is P? I said P is equal to P1 upon P naught into 100. P1 upon P naught into 100. This is the first value that we need to find out. The next thing that we need to find out is W, students. As I said, what is W? W is P naught into Q naught. This is another value that we need to find out. And the next thing that we need to find out is the product of W and P, students. Product of W and P, which is most important for us to apply it in the formula. Okay. So now let's start first finding out P, students. What is P? P is P1 upon P0 into 100. That is 220 divided by 200 into 100. It is 110, students. This the first value that you get is 110. Okay. The next is 60 divided by 60. Okay. It's 100. Exactly 100. Okay. The next one is 40 divided by 50. It is 80, students. This value is 80. Okay. The next is 20 divided by 20. 20 divided by 20. If you say it is again 100. Is that right? Okay. Exactly 100%. The next is 70 divided by 70. That also would be taken as 100, students. Okay, right. P is what we got all these values. Now we need to find out W, that is P0 into Q0, that is 200 into 330. Okay, that's how we do it. So 200 into 30, right, is equal to 6,000. This value is 6,000. Is that clear? Okay, right, fine. The next is what we need to do is 60 into 10. 60 into 10 is 600, students. Is it right? Then 50 into 25. Okay, 50 into 25. 50 into 25 is how much, students? Is 1,250. This is 1,250. Okay, the next is 20 into 30. It is again 600. 70 into 40. It is 2,800. Okay, so this is what is PQ, that is W. Then we multiply with P, right? That is, okay, 6,000. Okay, 6,000 into 110. Okay, so answer is 6 lakhs, right? 6,60,000. 6,60,000 students. This is the answer we get. Then we have 600 100 into 100, students, is equal to 60,000, and this is what we need to do, write as 60,000. Then we have 1,250 into 80 is 1 lakh, students. This is exactly 1 lakh. Okay, 1,250 into 80. Okay, then we have 600 into 100 is 60,000, students. 60,000. This is 60,000. Then the last one, 2,800 into 100 is 2,80,000, which is the last value, 2,80,000. So if we just add up all these values, what is that we get? We get as, okay, this 0, 0 as it is. This also will be 0. So it would be, it's 316 is 18, 8, right? 18 plus 8 is 26. Okay, that is 4, 5 plus 6 is 11. Is that clear? 11 lakhs 60,000. This is summation WP. Then what would be summation W? Summation W. So summation W would be 6000 plus 600 plus 1250 plus 600 plus 2800 is equal to 11,250. So we substitute these values here. 11,60,000 divided by 11,250. Okay. So this would be equal to 11,60,000 divided by 11,250 is equal to, we get 103.11% students. This is what we have it here. Okay, I hope you have followed this problem.